Ja, hallo, ich bin Petra Leitner-Braun von Kühljager Leitner und so wie hier das Feuer entfacht ist, wurde bei diesem Partner-Meeting wieder unser Engagement entfacht. Gemeinsam vieles zu erreichen, mit vielen neuen Ideen, mit viel Zusammenhalt, einfach top. Ein Top-Event vom Inhalt, von den Leuten. Ich kann nur sagen, wir gehen gemeinsam in die Zukunft und darauf freuen wir uns.
Hi, it's Tony from FlexiLube. I just want to say a big thank you to everybody from simatec. Wonderful event again, as usual. Big thank you to Evo who stood over there looking at me laughing. But yeah, brilliant, really enjoyed it. Great company, great people, as usual. See you again in 2 years' time.
Hi everybody, this was a great meeting here. We have come after almost 12 to 14 years in simatec and I feel great about it. I didn't expect so many distributors to be here. The place where we have come, it was a very long day for sure, and the place over here is very nice. We are vegetarians, so we are having good food. They managed to arrange for us everything. The hospitality has been good. There is a new launch of product that also is a great news for us. We hope to do a good job with simatec. Cheers.
Thank you very much, simatec, for a fantastic week. It's been amazing, like it always is. Thank you so much. Thank you, Misha. It's been fantastic. Thank you, Evo. Thank you, Katia. Thank you, Tamara. It's been a lovely time. The drumming was amazing. It's probably one of the best evenings we've had on all the times we've been over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the simatec team.
Thank you so much, simatec.
Thank you, simatec, for this opportunity that you gave us.
Yeah, so simatec, thank you for the invitation. It's been a great time and see you next time.
Thank you.
We are a team, we are a family that work together as one to build a success together as a brand, simatec.